Hey everyone, and welcome to another quick All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a quick look at this brand new 2024 Sunseeker 3050 Class C motorhome here. This particular one was ordered with one of their full body paint options. Beautiful setup here. So let's get started. Let's step up into the new Sunseeker here. So as you can see, again, beautiful paint job. Opening up the door here, you do have the window, traditional screen door setup, has a little shock assist on it. There is a large handle here to help you get in and out. Now below this step is your house battery setup. There's a little electric box down there. This was ordered with auto level jack, so the controls are here. Battery disconnect, awning button to run the awning in and out, motion light, and some light switches. All right, so up front there, you're going to have the overhead cab, and then you're going to have one large slide out here. So that nice dinette right there will make into a bed, has storage underneath, overhead cabinet area, that is all part of the slide. This kitchen area right here, also part of the slide. You have the high-rise sprayer faucet, little wireless charging port there, flip-up countertop extension for extra storage, or extra counter space. There's a propane leak detector right down below that. More overhead cabinet space here. You have the convection microwave, so you can cook or microwave. 3-burner gas stovetop. Deep tint safety glass windows. Moving along, we are into little bathroom sink area here, medicine cabinet area here. Again, all part of the slide out. Moving further, you're going to have your master bedroom area back here in the back. Also part of the slide out. So as you can see, almost the whole side of the RV there is a slide out system. Over here, you're going to have hanging closet, some shelf space. There's some room behind your 12-volt TV right there. 27-inch 12-volt TV they're currently using. Right there is one of the two ducted ACs this one was ordered with. Second AC is technically an option if you want that, depending on what part of the country you're in. You may need that. You have storage down here, a little end table here, big window on the back of the RV as well. You also have that, again, directional reading lights there. There's room to maneuver around the bed, but it is a little snug. Digital thermostat for your AC back here. There's a large skylight here. You have a pull-across curtain for privacy for the master bedroom. Now behind this door is going to be your step-in shower. Another big skylight, vent fan, AC duct in here, heat duct in here, glass enclosure, motion light down there, porcelain foot flush toilet. Now going between the bathroom and kitchen area here is also a little step up or step down, depending on which direction you're going. So you do got to be a little careful there. Over here on this side, you're going to have that 12-volt Furrion refrigerator, some pantry area, and a large turbo exhaust fan up there. So that's kind of neat. They got this little pull-out basket set up here, and then traditional shelf up top. Magnetic catches, electric box, the breakers and fuses down there. Second AC if you do that feature. Another big skylight up there. Sofa will make into a bed for extra sleeping. This also has that Gateway Connect feature right up there. So you can get subscription to like Verizon or AT&T wireless internet setup. Put the little SIM card in there, and it brings internet with you through your Winegard Air 360 TV antenna system. It's a nice little thing you can subscribe to through them. This one was ordered with one seat here that will spin around. That one there is kind of useless to spin around. So that was not ordered on that, but you can option in, depending on the floor plan, for both to swivel around. Has a side camera on each side and a backup camera as well that you can see through this screen up here, and then you have your big Sony screen down below. But very nice setup here. You got plenty of extra sleeping room up here as well. TV on the swing arm right there. Looks like that's a 40-inch 12-volt TV as well. Let's step back out here real quick. Just want to do you a quick spin around on the outside to kind of go over some stuff here. Right here, you're going to have the optional outside TV as well. Deep tint safety glass windows, power awning, couple JBL speakers outside. Quite a few small storage compartments around the RV. There is a solar charge controller right here. You could plug in an extra portable panel, and you also see that sway control system built onto this model. Gas electric water heater set up there. The furnace exhausting out right there as well. There's a light up there by the door that I forgot to turn on. Another compartment here. This had an air ride system also installed on the back, and there is a air valve for the bag on this side and one on the other side as well. And there's some access to some winterization stuff. Prepping for the portable ladder, Lippert Stow and Go ladder there. And you got some storage all across the back side right here. Do you have a towing hitch? So you could tow something behind here. You also have, again, that rear camera up top. There's a gas line hookup back here as well, so you could plug in a portable grill. Detachable power cord system. There is a slide-out awning cover that covers the top of that room. Rolls in and out with the slide as it goes in and out. And they are currently using, looks like the Lippert Slim Rack slide system as well. The other side of the storage area right there. And then right here, we're going to have your dump area, outside utilities, shower, city water hookup, black tank flush. A little bit of storage under here as well. Fill up your gas right there. There's some more storage underneath of that slide as well. I forgot to open those doors. This is a little bit of storage right here for the trash can. Forgot to mention that inside, you can drop it right down through the counter into that. Generator underneath here. You have your generator right under here. So you can see right there, they're currently using the NPS 4500 watt generator powered by Yamaha. Nice little setup there. One of the side cameras. So again, camera down each side and one on the back. This one was on the E450 chassis. Have the fiberglass running boards here. You do have a little bit of storage here. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirror switch, hood opener here. Got some light controls and stuff here. Got to give you an idea what that looks like. But nice little setup there. And right down there is actually a battery connector to connect house batteries to the chassis battery. So in case the chassis battery were to go dead, you could use that as kind of an emergency jump switch. Up top there, you do have a really nice heavy-duty fiberglass front shell. All right, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour with me. As always, please remember to hit that like button if you're interested in keeping up with more of my RV tours. And also, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.